In previous videos, we mostly focused on iPhone series repair. Some fans left messages hoping that we could share Android models repairing cases. This time, we will repair a faulty Oppo A83. This phone has two faults need repairing. First, replace damaged parts. Second, power button doesn't work at all. Before repairing, we test basic functions finding they can work normally. Volume works well, but power button doesn't work. Now let's fix it. Separate back cover with triangle crowbar. Be careful, don't insert too deeply. Unbolt screws with Ecooper screwdriver kit. This screwdriver has 48 bits suitable for most electronics, which is really handy and helpful. Unbolt worn mainboard screws. Disconnect battery flags, screen flags, and charging flags. Remove camera shield and signal antenna. We can take out mainboard now. It's not deformed or pressed. This is mainboard power pin. We can pull on it when connect negative pole. Two pins correspond to positive and negative poles on power button. Press power button will trigger power on. Measure power pins with multimeter. We found the ground resistance has no value. Normally it has. Then we check circuit diagram, finding that power pins undergoes a resistance conversion. We grind a notch on shield to find this resistor. Measure resistor. One end resistance is normal. The other end has no resistance. Normally it has resistance at both ends. We suppose the resistor has damaged, so we remove it. Find a useless board and remove a resistor with same property size. Replace new one. Measure again with multimeter after replacing. Two ends of resistor work normally. Connect negative and positive of mainboard with power supply. Mainboard power on in 5 seconds. We can see that power button works and mainboard has powered on. Mainboard problem has solved. Now let's replace screen and back cover. Unbolt all screws and remove loudspeaker module. Disconnect flags. Remove battery. Earphone board. Vibrator. Charging door connector flags. Remove ear speaker. Volume button. Power button. Apply double-sided adhesive on new frame. Apply B7000 glue around all sides of frame. Install new screen. Press screen tightly. Fix screen and frame tightly with rubber bands. waiting 30 minutes for glue solidified. Install charging dock flex. Vibrator. Earphone board on new frame. Connect shield and bolt screws to fix. Install battery and mainboard. Bolt all screws. Finally, install new back cover. This phone become a brand new one. Small parts didn't cost much, so we just replaced them. Now we take a power test. Basic functions work normally. Signal works. Volume, power button works. Wi-Fi signal works well. Don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments. That's all about this video. See you next time.